All right. And the rain got us a little bit. It's all right. Got an inspection this morning for the plumbing. Get this out the way. Then I can start prepping for the slab. Getting everybody. Yeah, man. It's God. But we here, man. Doesn't matter. Water, water, water. Can't wait to get this done. Get this inspection done. Everybody's getting their work in, man. Gosh. So I gotta kind of set up everything for tomorrow. It's my boy Ricky, man. Proud of him, bro. Proud of him. Got his own plumbing company, hiring guys, do the work, teaching them. I mean, this is what this is about, man. That's empowerment right there, bro. I'm telling you. That's real talk right there. They all learning. And I think it's family too, so yeah. Get chills. Alright, let me get on my horn and go to keep this train going, go to some more projects. I'll keep you guys posted. Peace.